ask me, son, when I grow old, will you buy me a house of gold? Why would it go slower? Shamai. Can we make videos go slower? Yes, we can. Now, this is something I really wish I'd known when I first started playing. There is a nice, simple way of making our YouTube videos go a little bit slower to make it much easier to practice. A couple of ways of doing it. If you're on a PC or a laptop and you're watching the video, just underneath the video box is like a little cog for your settings. If you click on that, you get different options. And when your father turns to stone, will you take care of me, King of Courts? I will make you Queen of Heaven. If you're on a mobile device, a tablet or a phone, at the top of the video there is 3 little dots. If you click on those, you get the options. All right, so you're looking for the playback speed. If you click on that, I've got my iPad in front of me, so I'm just reminding myself, but it's the same on your PC as well. You will see some different speeds. Normal, the original. 0.75, 0.5, getting slower, so 3/4 speed, half speed, or 1.25, 1.5, getting faster. Okay, it's a brilliant way of slowing things down. If it's a little bit too fast for you to practice, it doesn't change the pitch. All right, so that's a big thing, because it means you can still carry on playing and practicing when it goes a bit slower. And then once you've got it nailed, you can put it back up to normal speed. They are just one of those things that I really wish I'd known when I first started playing. I see the question asked a lot on social media. I get asked it myself. So there we go. How do you slow down a video? Click on the settings either below the little cog or the 3 little dots on a mobile device, and you can change the playback speed from there. I do hope this video has helped. You know what to do. If you've got a comment or a question, please feel free to leave it below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.